South 5775, visual 6.
775, Birmingham Tower, good evening. Wind calm, runway 6, your clear to land. Alright, Delta 2498, right turn at Foxtrot, that'll be the next right. Remain this frequency to the gate, y'all. Good night. Cessna 11 Sierra tax, runway 18 in November.
Birmingham Southwest 163 with you, 12 for 11 with Yankee.
Southwest 163, Birmingham approach, continue present heading through Knowles, to maintain 3000, expect visual approach runway 6.
This heading and 3000 Southwest 163.
Cessna 11 Sierra, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
Southwest 163, fly heading 180.
180 heading Southwest 163.
Cessna 8 Lima Sierra, contact departure. Y'all have a good night.
Departure Caravan 20 Sierra, runway heading 1600 for 4.
Caravan.